Use a plastic pry tool and lever off the top of the A-pillar cover. If the vehicle has curtain, aka side airbags, there will be a plastic cover indicating there is an airbag. Pop off the cover and remove the Phillips head fastener behind it. Then you can lever off the top of the cover. Grab the cover and lift straight up towards the top of the roof. The bottom of the cover will come loose from the top of the dashboard. Remember to line up and properly position the front A-pillar cover in the dash panel first and push downwards before installing the upper clip. Installation is the reverse of removal. Working on the door sills. Grab the door sill cover with your hand and pull hard straight upwards. You're going to have to use quite a bit of force to lift up on the plastic cover. You may feel a pop and only have the front of the panel loose. Pulling in the same direction, gradually work your way back until the entire cover is off. What you are doing that you can't see is releasing these white plastic clips, green arrows, from the hole in the car rocker panel. This image shows the location of the 3 clips. The plastic clips may stay in the body of the car and pop off the door sill cover. Use a door panel pry tool, pop out the clips that have stayed in the body of the car. When preparing to reinstall the door sill cover, you need to slide the white clips in the groove on the bottom side of the cover in the direction of the blue arrow. You need to line up all 3 clips with the holes in the body of the car. As you push down on the cover, the clips will snap in place. Reach under the inner edge of the rear door sill cover and pull straight up as you did on the front sill. There are only 2 clips to hold the cover down in the rear, but under the seat there is a 10mm bolt that holds on the rear of the door sill cover. If the clips stay in the body, do the same as you did in the front. You will need to remove the rear seats to access the 10mm bolt. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Use a plastic pry tool to lever out the clips that hold on the bottom of the B-pillar cover. The bottom of the cover will be loose, but not the top. Pull the B-pillar cover away from the B-pillar an inch or so and then downward to dismount the upper part of the cover. Look at the 2 slides at the top of the bottom cover that fit into the upper cover so you know how to align them when you reinstall the lower cover. To remove the upper B-pillar, pull the bottom of the upper B-pillar trim panel away from the body to detach the retaining clips, green arrows. The panel will not come off yet. There's an upper clip. At the top of the panel is a single securing clip, green arrow, that fits into a plastic receptacle, yellow arrow. You can use a plastic pry tool to lever this off, or you can simply grab the panel and pull it away from the pillar. Keep in mind the seat belt passes through this cover and the cover will hang from the seat belt unless you remove the belt from the seat. If you're going to replace the panel, you need to remove the seat belt from the seat. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that. Installation is the reverse of removal. Use a plastic pry tool to lever out the opera light from the C-pillar. Unplug the electrical connection for the light by squeezing the connector and pulling it straight out of the lamp assembly. With a plastic pry tool, lever out the top of the C-pillar cover. Grab the C-pillar cover and lift it up towards the direction of the blue arrow to unseat the bottom of the panel from the parcel shelf. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.